Hi, I am Laura from Kingston, Ontario. I tested the Heritage 15 by 12 inch skillet. I rated this 5 stars. I loved the portability and the lightweight. Also, the kale dish that I cooked has sugar, so having it not stick to the pan was excellent. It came up to temperature really quickly, cooked thoroughly, and it was a great experience. So let's take a look at it in action. I would definitely recommend this to my family and friends and anyone out there that cooks on the go or doesn't always want to heat up the oven or run out to the barbecue. Like, it would even be excellent for that. I think it would be great for potlucks, anything. So definitely recommend.